Welcome to ForexTV.com. It's Wednesday, October 31st. I'm Remy Hoki for New York Forex Market Buzz. As the market awaits the Fed Reserve rate decision at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Time, Euro-dollar is trading at 144.57 as of 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The pair touched another record at 144.72 earlier in the session. Meanwhile, sterling dollar is at $2.0773 after sterling hit another multi-decade high at $2.0789. And dollar yen is currently trading at 115.25 yen. And briefly in U.S. economic data, the advance release of Q3 GDP came in stronger than expected, with a rise of 3.9% and a 3% increase in personal expenditure. And ahead of Friday's non-farm payrolls, the ADP report looks for 106,000 new private sector jobs in the U.S. during October. Meanwhile, Chicago PMI fell to 49.7% in October from 54.2% in September. Joining us now is Matthew Strauss, Senior RBC Capital Markets. Good afternoon, Matthew.
Good afternoon, Remy.
Thanks for joining us today.
Yes, interesting day to join you.
Well, as the market does await the Fed decision on rates in a little over an hour, we're seeing the U.S. dollar sell off, and the market does expect to see a 25 basis point cut for the Fed funds rate. But Matthew, tell us about what you expect to see from the announcement for the Fed funds discount rate and also the statement.
Well, I think at this point in time, it's very difficult not to see a 25 basis point cut. There's a few market participants that are looking for maybe even a 50 basis point cut, but I think that will be a bit too aggressive, and we're looking for a 25 basis point cut with a company statement keeping on the previous statement. In this statement, they will acknowledge that the previous cut, including then the cut that we expect today, will go a long way in countering the negative impact from the subprime fallout. But I think ultimately they will include a phrase saying that they are ready to act if need be to counter this.
The U.S. dollar has been breaching multi-decade or record lows against the high-yielding majors in the run-up to the decision. So post-FOMC, do you expect to see a short-term dollar correction despite the downtrend for the dollar? And what does this mean for the ranges in the